children, welcome back to Gurudeva Online 6th standard mathematics class. I am Niranjan Acham, 5th period, understanding elementary shapes. Dear children, we were discussing the last period about acute angle, reflex angle, straight angle, right angle. Dear children, let us now discuss about measuring angles. How do we measure angles? Dear children, there is a particular instrument, okay, the particular ready-made instrument, the name of the instrument is protractor. See, the pronunciation is protractor. By the help of the protractor, we can able to measure the angles. Dear children, see, this is the off revolution. See, the off revolution of a protractor is 180 divisions. It means 180 degree. Okay, one complete revolution is 360 divisions. It means 360 degree. Dear children, angle can be measured in degrees. Okay, for example, 1 degree, 2 degree, 60 degree, okay, 75 degree, 120 degree. Angle represented in degrees. Okay, see, this is the reading way is 60 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, okay, 120 degree. Clear? See, this is the off revolution. Off revolution is nothing but straight angle. See, the off revolution is nothing but straight angle. It is 180 degree. Full revolution is 360 degree. Okay, yes, there is a question in the textbook. Dear children, how many degrees are there in of a revolution? How many degrees are there in of a revolution? There are 180 divisions. It means 180 degree. How many how many degrees are there in full revolution? 360 divisions are 360 degree. Okay, dear children? Yes. By the help of the protractor, let us find out their measurement. Dear children, observe about here is a single point. Observe here. Here is a point, middle point. By the help of the middle point, let us find, dear children, the protractor. It starts from, see, left side and right side. Here 0 to, observe here, 0 to 180 degree. In the right side, 0 to 180 degree. This is half revolution. The curved area is half revolution. Okay. Here is the first question. What is the angle? Okay. What is the measurement of angle? Dear children, here is a point. Here is a point. Just you may coincide with the middle point, protractor middle point, and also this one. Wait. Okay. See, observe here. This middle point and also here angle, the point 0. Okay. Dear children, you start from right side because here is a line, another line. Okay, another way. Just you start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60, 61, 62. Yes. So the measurement of angle is 62 degree. Here is 180 degree. Need not to start 180 degree. You start from 0. Okay. Yes. Next question. Dear children, observe here. Here is a point K. We need to find out an angle. Just make it coincide. Yes. Dear children, you start from right side. Clear? Right side, 0, here, let us enlarge the line. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 110, 120, 120, yes, 129. 129 degree. Okay? Next. See, this is the reflex angle because it is greater than straight angle. Just imagine, let us draw a line, just a normal line. Just imagine this is the straight line. The straight line is 180 degree. It is able to find out only up to straight angle. but it is greater than straight angle. So let us find out first extra part. Up to here is 180 degree. How much extra, dear children? Just to make reverse. Here is a line. Okay. You may draw a small line and also this line. Here is the middle point. Dear children, you read from here to here. So here to here is 35 degree. See, this is 35 degree. From here to here is 35 degree. Straight angle, of course, from here to here, from this part to this part is 180 degree plus 35 degree. 180 degree plus 35 degree. So add these two data. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5, 8 plus 3 is equals to 11, write 1 and 1 is here, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Yes, totally the 215 degree from here to here, the measurement is 215 degree. This is the method of measurement of angles by help of a protractor. Clear? Let us solve the exercise problems right. Page number 97, exercise 5.4. First question, dear children, the first question belongs to notes, second question textbook, okay? This is notes. What is the measure of right angle and also straight angle? We need to write a measurement. If we need to call right angle, what is the exact measurement? If right angle, if we call right angle, the exact measurement is 90 degree. If the angle is 90 degree, we can call as a right angle. Dear children, the first sub question A answer is 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree indicates right angle. Okay. Next one, straight angle. What is the straight angle measurement? Dear children, the straight angle measurement is 180 degree. Okay. If any angle is 180 degree, we can call as that is straight angle. If any angle is 90 degree, we can call as that is right angle. Okay. These two belongs to your notes. Next question. Second question. Say true or false. First one. Measure of an acute angle less than 90 degree. Dear children, second one belongs to notes. Notes. Dear children, second one belongs to textbook. Second one belongs to textbook. The measure of an acute angle less than 90 degree. Is it correct? Yes, the acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So the statement is second main, first subquestion A. This is true. If less than 90 degree, we can call as that particular angle is acute angle. Clear? Less than 90 degree. Dear children, second subquestion. The measure of an obtuse angle less than 90 degree. Dear children, obtuse angle not less than 90 degree. So the second statement is false. What is the measurement of obtuse angle? See, second statement is false. Clear? Less than 90 degree acute angle. Exact equal to 90 degree, that is right angle. Clear? Greater than 90 degree, less than straight angle, we called as obtuse angle. But according to the statement, that is wrong statement. According to the statement, they have given less than 90 degrees. Sorry, less than 90 degrees is not a obtuse angle. You should know the measurement of obtuse angle. Greater than 90 degree, less than straight angle. I mean less than 180 degree, called obtuse angle. Okay? Yes. Third subquestion. the measure of a reflex angle is greater than 90 degree. Yes, the reflex angle, any angle is greater than 90 degree, less than 360 degree, called reflex angle. Third statement is, question number C is true. The statement C statement is true. Next, statement D. Measure of one complete revolution is 360 degree. Yes, correct. See, one complete revolution is 360 divisions or 360 degree. The statement D is also true. Last statement, question number second and sub question E. Yes, sub question E. If M is less than A is equals to 53 degree and if M angle A is equals to 53 degree, angle B is equals to 35 degree, then angle A is greater than angle B. Angle A is 53 degree. Angle B is 35 degree. According to the statement, it is 53 is greater than 35. Yes, of course, proper statement. 53 is bigger, 35 is smaller. So the statement is true. Clear? Third main. Dear children, third main belongs to notes. Third main belongs to notes. Okay. Write down the measure of A, some acute angles, B, some obtuse angles. Dear children, acute angle, measurement of acute angle is less than 90 degree. We need to write some of the measurements. The first sub question A is, you may write any numbers, any degree, might be 40 degree, 35 degree, 61 degree, okay, and also 76 degree, less than 90 degree. You concentrate less than 90 degree. We need to write a measurement of acute angles. Next, 27 degree and etc. These are all the examples, measurement of acute angle. Okay, measurement of acute angle. Let us write B main. Dear children, the B1 is some obtuse angles. Obtuse angle. You should know the measurement of obtuse angle. The measurement of obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Dear children, write 100 degree is the example of obtuse angle. 120 is the example of obtuse angle. Okay, 145 is the example of obtuse angle. Clear, Choto? This is the measurement of B is the measurement of obtuse angle. A is the measurement of acute angle. Okay. I would like to give you once again. Yes, I'll say later. Let us more discuss about question number 4. I'd like to recall once again, dear children, observe here, acute angle, obtuse angle, next reflex angle, right angle. It's very basic, listen carefully. Acute angle, less than 90 degree, okay, less than 90 degree. This is less than 90 degree. Okay, which angle is less than 90 degree? Those all are acute angle. Okay, obtuse angle. What is the measurement of obtuse angle? Greater than 90 degree. Observe B. Greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, called obtuse angle. What about reflex angle? Greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Clear? That is reflex angle. What about right angle? Exactly 90 degree. If 90 degree, if any angle is 90 degree, that is right angle. If 89 degree, that is not a right angle. 89.9 degree, that is not a right angle. Exact 90 degree. If 90.1 degree, that is that right angle? Sorry, that is not a right angle. The right angle, it means exact 90 degree. Clear, Chotu? Yes. Let us discuss about fourth main. Question number 4. Dear children, it needs pencil, a protractor and also eraser. Okay. See the question number 4. Here there are angles. We need to measure. What is the measurement of angle? Dear children, observe here. Here is a middle point. Okay, common point. And in the protractor, there is a midpoint. Observe here. There is a midpoint. So by the help of the midpoint, you may coincide. And before go to solve the problem, before go to measure the angle, just you may extend any one, any ray. Okay. Observe here. The middle point. Yes. Now you may measure now. Yes. It starts from 0 because I am going to measure this ray up to this ray. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So the measurement of angle is 45. 45 degree. Clear? Next. Dear children, we start from here to here, okay? From this area, total measurement. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint, okay? Here is a midpoint, common point and midpoint coincide. Yes. Dear children, before go to start, just extend this ray. Yes. Measure now. Dear children, observe very carefully. Yes. Okay. Now measure. It starts from 0 here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 110, 120. See, this is 20 up to here, 22, 122. 122. Next, question number C. Dear children, observe here. Yes, dear children, observe very carefully. See, this line exact 90 degree. I have written 90 degree. Okay. Next, we need to find out three angles. This is. There are three angles. Just to extend the given line. Okay. Yes. From here to here is I have extended a line. Just use the line. Dear children, make it coincide. Yes. Observe this one. Yes. See, I have extended a line here. You are observing now. This is 90 degree, indicating 90 degree. So the total angle is 90 degree. Next, what is the angle of this one? Just you may turn a page and midpoint. Here is just you may coincide this point. I have extended a line here. This line. Yes. Okay. What is the measurement? Yes, the measurement is from here to here. Measurement is from here to 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to here. Yes. 10, 80, 100, 110, 120, 130. Yes, 130. Dear children, 130. This angle is 130. Next, we need to find out this angle. Turn a page and extend this line. This ray. And you may erase later. Okay. Yes. Here is a common point. This is the midpoint. Just to make it coincide. Yes, dear children. You start from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Next year 60. This is the 60. 61, 62. Yes, this is 62. Okay, dear children. This angle is 62 degree, 130 degree and also 90 degree. This is question number 4. Turn a page. Question number 5. Dear children, this is the question number 5. Which angle has as a large measure? First estimate and then measure. Measure of angle A, measure of angle B. Dear children, here there are two pictures. Observe here. Here there are two pictures. This is and this is. So measure very carefully. Which angle is larger? Dear children, I am going to measure angle. Yes. You are observing a line here. See this line. From here to here, this line indicating 40 degree. This is 40 degree. What about this? Measure right now. Dear children, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. 65. So, this is the 65. Dear children, so which is the bigger? Angle A is 40 degree. Angle B is 65 degree. Which is bigger? Angle B is the bigger. I mean larger measurement. Next, question number 6. From these two, observe here. From these two angles, which has larger measure, estimate and then confirm by measuring them. Dear children, by our naked eyes, by observing, which is the maximum measurement? This is the maximum measurement. Let us find out by help of a protractor. Yes, you are observing from here to here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40. Let us enlarge the line. It helps a lot. 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. So the angle, measurement of angle is 43 degree. Next, what about this angle, dear children? Just you may enlarge. Okay. Yes, measure now. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. This is 57. Which is the bigger measurement? See, this angle is the bigger measurement. This is 57 degrees. This is 43 degree. Okay. Seventh main. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight angle. There are 5 questions. The first one. See, this is belongs to, 7th one belongs to textbook. Okay. First question, an angle whose measure is less than that of right angle is dash. Less than that of right angle. Less than right angle. Called acute angle. Called acute angle. Less than the right angle. Called acute angle. Second question. An angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle is greater than the right angle, called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. See, an angle whose measure is the sum of the measures of two right angles is. Two right angle is equals to dash angle. It is a logical question. Two right angle. What is the right angle measurement? Dear children, right angle measurement is 90 degree. How many right angles here? There are two right angles. 90 degree plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. If we add two right angle, which type of angle will we get? We will get straight angle. 180 degree, it indicates straight angle. straight angle. Question number D. When the sum of measures of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them, dear children, observe here. See, this is the right angle. If we add two angles, we will get 90 degree. 90 degree is the right angle. See, what type of angles these are? Dear children, these are acute angle. Okay, these two are the acute angle. These two also acute angle. Clear? This is acute angle. This is acute angle. You may take 70 degree. Okay, 70 degree plus 20 degree. 70 plus 20, 90 degree. Dear children, 70 degree is acute angle. 20 degree is acute angle. If we add two acute angle, we will get one right angle. This is the question. So, acute angle. Fill in your textbook. Acute angle. Next one. Almost similar question. E is the similar to D. Listen carefully. When the sum of measures of two angles is that of straight angle, here they have given right angle, here straight angle. When the sum of measures of two angles is that of straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be dashed. Dear children, this is 180 degree angle. See, if we add two, first one is acute angle. Acute angle, the first one is acute angle. If we add 2 degrees, two angles, we will get 180 degrees straight angle. First one is acute angle. What about other? That is obtuse angle. Okay. What is the measurement of obtuse angle? Greater than 90 degree, less than straight angle. That is obtuse angle. Okay. Just you may take a number and check it yourself. So this is all about question number 7. Dear children, question number 8. Let us discuss by help of a text. Number 8. Find the measure of the angle shown in each figure. First estimate with your eyes and then find out the actual measurement with a protractor. Dear children, by the help of the protractor, we need to find out an angle. Just enlarge a ray. This is, yes. Dear children, take a protractor, make it, use middle point. This is the starting point. This is the midpoint in a protractor. Okay, this is the midpoint in a protractor. Make it coincide. Yes, measure now. Here is 10, 20, 30. Yes, exact 40. The measurement of angle. What is the measurement of angle? This is 40 degree. Okay. Yes. Let us find out. Next one. Erase this line. Next. Enlarge this one. It helps while we are measuring. Okay. Yes. Dear children, observe now. Yes. From here to here. Clear? From 0 to here, 90, 0, 20, 30, 40, 50, 90, 100, 110, 20, 130. Dear children, this is 130 degree. Clear? The measurement of a given angle is 130 degree. Next question. It is belongs to textbook. Question number 8 and also question number 4 belongs to textbook. Yes. What about this angle? This angle. What is this? This is the point. Okay. This is the point. This is midpoint. Make it coincide. Yes, dear children, starts from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. This is 65 degree. Okay. Next. This is, what about this angle? What is the measurement of this angle? Okay, observe this is measurement of this angle. Enlarge this, increase the line. Okay, ray. Yes. Dear children, from here to up to here, from here to here, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 90, 100, 130, 135. Observe here. This is 130. Okay, this is 130. This is 135. 135. Okay, Chotu. This is question number 8. Let us come to question number 9. Dear children, this is the straight line. Observe question number, yes, this is third one. Observe third one. This is the straight line. The straight line is always 180 degree. Need not to calculate once again. This is 180 degree. Okay. Next. What about this? The right angle. The right angle is always 90 degree. Need not to calculate. If you need, as you wish, you may calculate. No problem. We'll get 90 degree. See, exact 90 degree. See, exact 90 degree. Okay, we need to calculate this one. Dear children, enlarge a line, these two lines. First I'll erase this one. Yes, dear children, let us calculate angle. Yes, dear children, don't start from right side. You must be start from left side, because here this is the space. Okay, 0. Here is 10, 20, 30. Where is the line here? 30, 31. So the measurement is 31 degree. Okay, this is question number 9. Next, dear children, observe here. This is question number 11. Question number 11. Here is a picture. By the help of a picture, by measuring a picture, we need to complete the tabular column in textbook itself. Question number 8, question number 9, and also question number 11 belongs to textbook. Dear children, angle, measure, type. There are 3 columns. Angle AOB. Where is AOB? AOB. Yes. Enlarge a given ray. Yes. Dear children, see. See, this is the midpoint. Midpoint should be coincide with a common point. Yes. Dear children, observe what is the measurement. The measurement of AOB. AOB is 40 degree. Here is 10, 20, 30, 40. So the 40 degree AOB is measurement. What is the measurement of AOB? AOB is 40 degree. If angle is 40 degree, what type of angle we called as acute angle? Dear children, observe here. Acute angle. Clear? Next, angle AOC. Where is AOC? AOC. Clear? AOC. Enlarge a ray. Enlarge a ray. Make it like this. Yes, make it like this. Dear children, see, you start from here to up to here. Here is a ray. Observe here. Here is a ray. From here to here. What is the total measurement? See, 0, here 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 90, 90, 100, 110, 120, 120. This is 120, 125. Total measurement, this is 125 degree. If 125 degree, what type of angle we called as, dear children, greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, called as obtuse angle. So this is the obtuse angle. Clear now? This is the obtuse angle. So rest of the problems, rest of the columns is your homework. Complete yourself. Okay? In the exercise 5.4, only this is your homework. I have solved rest of the problems. This is your homework. Dear children, complete very soon. This is belongs to question number 11, question number 8, question number 9, and also question number 4 belongs to textbook. Okay? Yes, this is all about today's class. I will meet you with next content, that is what? Perpendicular lines in a next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.